egg fried rice is one of the world's most loved comfort foods. A dish born in China over 1,000 years ago, created to give new life to leftover rice and to ensure nothing was wasted. From the kitchens of emperors to the stalls of busy markets, fried rice became a symbol of resourcefulness and flavour. Through the Silk Road, it travelled across borders, carrying with it not just a recipe, but a food culture that touched the world. Today, that journey continues, as we give this timeless dish a Sri Lankan twist. I begin with vegetable oil. Onions soften first to build sweetness and remove their sharp edge. Then curry leaves and thyme. They bloom in the oil, infusing it with fragrance before any other ingredient arrives. Only after that do I add butter, so it enriches without scorching. Ginger and garlic follow later, never at the start. They burn fast, turning bitter. Added now, they release fragrance and warmth without losing their sweetness. A first touch of salt, not all at once. Seasoning in stages layers flavour and gives control at every step. Green peas and sweet corn are not in the original recipe, nor in most takeaways. But here they add bursts of sweetness and contrast, balancing the savoury elements that come later. Carrots are added in 2 parts, some now to soften, the rest later for crunch and colour. Leeks, cut fine, add gentle sweetness that bridges the flavours without overpowering them. Dark soy sauce brings depth, light smokiness and colour, but less salt, leaving seasoning decisions in my hands. Rice goes in cold from the day before. This is essential. The grains are dry and separate, so they fry instead of clump. Every time I stir, the heat rises. High heat drives away moisture, keeps the grains free, and brings that signature wok flavour. Eggs are beaten and scrambled in a separate pan. Done this way, they hold their texture, visible pieces that enrich the rice instead of vanishing into it. A final seasoning check follows. Heat and time change flavour. Adjustment at the end ensures balance. 2 teaspoons of sugar enter the dish, not for sweetness, but for balance, softening the salt, lifting the soy, and adding gentle caramel notes that make the rice more rounded. The second half of the carrots go in now, late on purpose. This keeps them crisp, giving contrast in every bite. Don't worry, the residual heat cooks them to the perfect texture. And here, the Sri Lankan twist, roasted curry powder. Its smokiness, umami depth, and gentle heat transform the dish. Proof that fried rice can carry the flavours of any culture it touches. No MSG required. One last surge of high heat to wake the spices, and the dish is ready. I serve it alongside bubbling teriyaki chicken, a pairing of sweet, savoury and spice. If you'd like to see that recipe, tell me in the comments. And if you're enjoying this story of food and flavour, please like this video. It helps more people discover it, and it means a lot to me. From ancient China to a Sri Lankan table, fried rice has travelled far. and each time it arrives, it finds a new home.